Hello students, welcome back to the fourth video of chapter number 3, Our Changing Earth. Okay, today we are going to talk about river in detail. We already studied about the landforms. Okay, now we are going in detail with rivers. Features of rivers. Just have a look. Following features are made by the river are waterfall, meanders, oxbow, lake, floodplain, levees, delta. These are the different features which you can see. Let's go in detail with one. Waterfall. A waterfall is a place where flowing water rapidly drops in elevation as it flows over steep region or a cliff. As you can see, okay, from the cliff there is a waterfall which is taking place. From here you can see, okay, this is the waterfall which is taking place from a height, rapidly drops in elevation as it flows over a steep region or a term known as cliff. Second term, that is meander. Okay, what is meander? Just have a look. The river enters the plain, it twists and turns, forming large bends. Okay, you can see a lot of twists and turns which take place. Here you can see, okay, that is termed as meander. So we studied about two terms. Now we go in detail with the third one, Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake. An oxbow lake is a U-shaped body of water formed when a wide meander, okay, when a wide meander from the main stream, okay, of the river is cut off to create a lake. Okay, continuous water which is flowing, from there a cut which is happening, that is termed as Oxbow Lake. This landform is called an oxbow lake for the distinctive curved shape that results from this process. Here you can see the oxbow lake, okay, how it is formed. Okay, the cut which has taken place, everywhere you can see the cut takes place by itself and then it twists and turns and it moves on forward. This is Oxbow Lake. This is what, children? This is floodplain. You can see a farm where you can see the too much of rainfall which has taken place and okay, it is covered, the flood has covered the whole area. Here also you can see clearly, when river overflows its bank, it leads to the flooding of the neighboring areas. When the rainfall takes place, what is happening? The neighboring areas gets flooded. As it floods, it deposits layers of the fine soil and other material called sediments. It is termed as sediments along its bank. This leads to the formation of flood plain. Okay, so the flooding where all it takes place, the process, okay, the neighboring areas gets flooded, the area gets covered with water comparatively and it disturbs everywhere. So the agricultural crop production gets disturbed due to the heavy rainfall which takes place. The next term, that is levees. Okay, what is levees? We'll try to understand. The raised banks are termed as levees. As the river approaches the sea, the speed of the flowing water decreases and the river, okay, and the river begins to break up into a number of streams called distributaries. Okay, as the river approaches the sea, the speed of the flowing water decreases and the river begins to break up into different small streams, a number of streams, that is termed as distributaries. That is called levees. Now the last term, that is delta. A delta is a landform that is created at the mouth of a river where that river flows into an ocean, sea, estuary, lake, reservoir, flat arid area or another river. Deltas are formed from the deposition of the sediment carried by the river as the flow leaves the mouth of the river. Now just observe. Okay. From here the water is been moving, okay, and then it gets divided into different distributaries. This is the main shoreline which is given. The water which is there, okay, it gets into the flow, and then you have the small cracks which are there from where the water gets channelized and it goes to different distributaries. You can see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, see, from here also it gets divided and it gets mixed up, okay. So this way it gets channelized and moves into different parts of the places, okay. So this is all what we studied in this topic. We will meet in the next video, children. Till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you.